Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can get the Disney Plus bundle, which includes Hulu as well as ESPN Plus for $12.99 a month. And this is particularly for those of you out there who signed up initially for just the Disney Plus account at $6.99 a month. And I just want to show you how you can get over to the bundle inside your account. But also, if you already have a Hulu account, for instance, and you want to get this Disney Plus bundle, you need to make sure that your Hulu account is the same email as your Disney Plus account if you want this bundle to give you a credit back over to that Hulu account. So what you want to do is log in to your Disney Plus account. So I'm at disneyplus.com, and up here in the right hand corner is the login. So then you're going to type in your email and click continue, and then you're going to enter your password and click login. And then to get that Disney Plus bundle, what you need to do is find your profile picture and then click on account. And then on this page, you can see it says account, your account details, and then go down to the subscription area. And in the bundle and save, go ahead and click on switch to Disney bundle. Then it takes you over to this page, and if you don't already have a Hulu and an ESPN Plus account and you don't need to worry about that, then just go ahead and pay with whatever payment method that you've already entered through, and it will upgrade you to that $12.99 a month cost from that $6.99 a month original fee that you were paying for Disney Plus. Now, if you already have Hulu, for instance, or ESPN Plus, then you can go ahead and click right here, and it gives you out an explanation. So it says, if you have an existing subscription with Disney Plus, Hulu, and or ESPN Plus, you don't need to cancel your subscription. The amount charged for the Disney bundle will be automatically adjusted to the account for your subscription. So we will email you a specific breakdown of your charges. If you purchased ESPN Plus through an app store, such as through Apple, Roku, etc., you'll need to link an ESPN account to your app store purchase. Please call customer service for assistance. And to learn more, you can call Disney Plus's customer service team over at 888-905-7888 or visit the Disney Plus Help Center for more information. So I hope that's helpful for you guys out there who maybe already have one of these accounts and you want to upgrade to that Disney Plus bundle to save yourself a little bit of money. You can get help by going through those steps. But then if you're not somebody who already has one of those other accounts, you can just go ahead and click the payment option to upgrade your current account through Disney Plus. So then once your payment goes through, it's going to say that your Disney Plus account is good to go, and you can start streaming Hulu or ESPN Plus, and you can just click that start streaming Disney Plus option right there. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys out there who want to get access to that Disney Plus bundle along with Hulu and ESPN Plus. I appreciate you stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content.